Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-L2520D printer driver download and installation. This is first link. Open any browser and Google search book to like that and then click on this. Now click to Windows, Mac and Linux. Windows, select the Windows, other Windows 11, Windows 10, 32 weeks server also there. The other Windows operating system printer driver download and installations process same. Select this Windows 11, then click to OK. This is full driver and software. Scroll down. This is your printer and driver. This is driver with the software. This is only driver. Okay. So click to download. Scroll down. Agree to download. Then it is completed. Click on this locations where it is download. It will open this and just right click to open. After that it will create the folder same locations. So this is your driver. You can see. After that click on three dot and then click to setting. Then click to Bluetooth and device. Then click printer and scanner. Click add device and after that it will open the manual options. You can see this is add new device manually. Click this. Select last. Then next. Click to hard disk. Click to browse. Then select .inf. Go to this locations where it is downloaded. This and select INF. Then click to open. Then click to open. Now find out DCP L2520. DCP L2520. This one. Okay. And then next. Now this is installing and installed. Okay. Then next. Now your printer is installed. Then just restart and then please check it. Your printer also and your system also. Thank you.